Hello everyone and welcome to another meta ads tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to apply conditional formatting in our meta ads manager reports. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do is to click here on columns and you need to select conditional formatting. And let's apply a conditional formatting rule for cost per result. So we're going to say create a rule, and we're going to say if cost per result, for example here, is greater than, let's say, 0.5, then we are going to apply a red color and we are going to save this rule. And let's create another rule and we are going to say if cost per result is, let's say, less than 0.5, then we're going to apply a green color and we are going to save. And now we have two conditional formatting rules here. And you can see how much easier it is basically to scan our data and understand which campaign is performing, which ad is performing. You can add as many conditional formatting rules as you want. You can add conditional formatting rules on the CPC, the click-through rate, the number of post saves, the reach, the frequency, for example, any metric that you like and any metric that helps you to interpret your data easier. So that's how you can apply conditional formatting. Again, all you have to do is to click here on columns. You can say conditional formatting. You can create a new rule. You can select any metric that you like. You can give a condition here. You can select the color. You can save, and that's it. That's how you can make a meta ads report that is super informative and super easy for you to interpret at a glance and understand what is working and what is not working. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.